Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transform any photo into a stunning frozen crown ice queen animation using PixVerse. It's super easy, totally beginner friendly, and yes, PixVerse will give free daily credit so you can generate this effect for free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use the web versions or just download the PixVerse app directly from the Play Store like this. And then next, just simply log in using your Google account. And don't worry, PixVerse will give free daily packages every day, so you can try tons of effects without paying. And then next, once you log in on the home page, just go to template sections. This one, just tap on it. And then next, just go to search bar and then search for ice queen. Like this. This one, this template, just tap on it. Like this, PixVerse will show you a beautiful ice theme animation template with sparkly effects, frosty colors, and then flowing snow particle, perfect for the magical winter vibes. And then next, just simply tap on your template, and then just pick your photo that you want to transform. You can use your portrait, your friend's photos, or another or anyone photos. Make sure the photo has the well lighting, and then next just choose your photo like this. And after that, after you selected the photo, just simply tap on create. It will take 20 credits. Just tap on it and then just go back and then just go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this, there it is. Your frozen crown ice queen animations is ready. Just look at the details, the snowflakes, the icy glow, and then the magical blue aura. PixVerse always nails the fantasy vibe so well. This is perfect for winter greetings or maybe Instagram reels, creative TikTok edits, or even a Christmas theme post. And okay, that's it. That's how you can turn any photo into a gorgeous ice queen animation using PixVerse. It's quick, easy, and totally free. Okay, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.